Yes, na sisi si wale watu wa Kilimani wenye wako na generator, backup generator. Now by the you need to do something. Hizi lifi suburbs haziwezi.
Good morning and praise Jesus. What's up? What's up? Manze, it's a beautiful day. It's an amazing day. It's a beautiful week coming. Coming week itakuwa imeweza sana manze. I'm so excited because this week I am turning 10 years in salvation. 10! Miaka kumi, a whole decade. Like September 15th, I got born again in 2013 and this week on Friday, 10 years.
What's up guys? How are you doing? Good morning. Yani guys, let me tell you, I woke up in the morning, ama energy nikawasalimia, nikawaongelesha, nikaacha simu nikipost. Kumbe I post the whole day nikafanya stories like kumbe stima iliamka kupotea mapema. So we are just there. Mimi nafikiria stories zimeenda. Kumbe sasa ndio nakuja kuwasalimia. How are you guys doing? Oh my goodness, you look so lovely. Yes, you look so beautiful. You look amazing. And this week is your week. Hey, manze, guys, this week I'm feeling so amazing. 10 years in salvation. 10 years. Yani nimepiga miaka 10 kwa hii jani ya kuwalk na Christ. Wow. You know, when I got born again, people were like, we Kabi bana wacha jokes. We tunajua mavela lazima uive. Yeah? Unataka kusema unaacha kila kitu mpaka wa super. But look, see God. 10 years. 10. Wow, a whole decade. Like almost half of my life nimekuwa na Christ. Wow. Like nikipiga zingine kadhaa itakuwa kama half of my life nimejuana na Jesus. Hey, alafu nipite. Like the years that I didn't know him zitakuwa less than the years that I know him. And I pray that even you, whoever you are, maybe you don't know Christ, that you find Christ. Because let me tell you, this is the greatest achievement in my life. Wow. Stima. Cheki zimepotea tena.
We celebrated.
Oi, hata ina hang. It's hang like, I don't know, because I think it's using internet.
Funny bundles haziwezi work bila stima, it makes sense.
As in, it's looking for your face. Inajanga easy to make up nani. Say hi. How are you, baby girl?
Hi.
Guys, imagine I'm just here celebrating and this stima zimerudi zinapotea. What is this? KPLC manze wacheni hizo. I'm celebrating 10 years in salvation. Mwezi kwa mnanirudisha kwa giza.
Wanarudisha kwenye darkness.
What? Anyway, wacha basi niendelee. I was working on my laptop and sasa stima imepotea nikiongea hapa tena. But let me just try before.
That is Princess calling dad.
Yeah, ananiita dad. By this quiz she can call dad, mom. Yes? Yes, princess. I love this car. What? Yani services itabidi mkujia tafadhali muitengeneze because that venye iko slow is not giving me the good vibes that the Audi has always given me. This is my favorite. Look at that beauty. So beautiful.
Hi guys, how are you? How was your weekend? Hope ilikuwa fiti, iliweza kuweza. But that mine was amazing. Packed. It was actually a packed weekend. On Saturday we did, oh gosh. I'll just share with you what happened on Saturday, but it was such a beautiful, beautiful day. We had so much fun with some amazing people that we met for the very first time. And you can't wait to meet them again. So, and on Sunday, I think basically on Sunday, I shared here how our Sunday looked like. It was basically a family Sunday. And guys, leo ni Monday. Guess what? Kutu hakuna stima. And it's so weird that every time, na nile inapoteanga 9, so ikipotea 9, uko sure somehow itakuja hizo 5 in the evening. So it's so weird that stima imepotea na bundles zangu haziwork, and I have bundles, like I have, yani mpaka nashangaa kwani my bundles and my internet or my wifi zina workingi pamoja, so that when there's no wifi I can't use my bundles. I don't understand. I'm so confused. I'm trying to post, it's not posting. I don't even know if this post what time it will go up mpaka nitoke kwa nyumba. So I want to get ready, I get out of this house because I can't be in the house without electricity. Yes, na sisi si wale watu wa Kilimani wenye wako na generator backup generator. Now by the way, you need to do something. Hizi lifi suburbs haziwezi bila backup generator. Stima zinapotea tunaanza
backup steamer battery.
You need to do something. By the way, guys, is there an option apart from generator? Because me, I find generators to be too loud. Like, I can imagine having a generator for just our house. Itakuwa too loud. Maybe ingekuwa na huko mahali alafu sasa ingekuwa kwa estate, but unfortunately we don't have backup generator. So stima kuti kipotea mpaka irudi. KPLC wakisema hamna stima, you obey. Gosh, look at my lines. Aki lines zangu zimeweza, bado ziko fresh. It's been a week, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, thank you so much to Tanik Hair and Beauty for doing an amazing job with these stitch lines. So I have stitch lines na huku nyuma niko na zinitango aje. I keep forgetting the name of this stuff. Bado ziko lakini unaona zinashikana. So I have to keep applying oil ndio at least ziachane. But you know what? I still love it, and I love the fact that my lines are still very neat. And guys, today is on Monday. Inanikumbusha leo ni Monday. So inamaanisha Today being a Monday, it means you can go to Tanika and Beauty and enjoy 20% off on all their services. On Monday and Tuesday, wanakuwa na 20% off. Imagine, Monday and Tuesday, you can go to any of their branches. Wako na Kiambu Road, hapo karibu na KFC, and they also have along Thika Road, Akai Plaza, second floor. And then you enjoy your 20% off. Sindio? Na economy, you want to save money. But anywho, you can go any other day of the week. Na ukinipata huko unapata ka 10%. If you come ile day nimeenda, you get a 10%. What is this now? You see this hair? Hey, wacha nijipake makeup. I'm so excited. We are doing a video. We are shooting something that I've been looking forward to for the longest time. I'm super excited. Gosh, I can't wait to share it with you guys. It's good. Mimi naambia, by the way, always never lose hope. Always trust in God. Any time you feel like you're going through a hard time, know that joy comes in the morning. Like whatever you're going through, it's going to pass. And as long as you don't lose hope, you'll just take whatever you learned as a lesson, and it's going to help you to be a better person. Sindio? Sababu the truth is, in this life, kuna ups and downs. Kuna times una feel uko happy. Kuna times una feel uko sad. Kuna times una feel yani you're making it. Kuna time una feel what is this life? I'm not even making it in this life. So it's part of life. But the most important thing is to never lose hope and always stay positive. Don't allow yourself to be toxic in your head. You know, sometimes you can be very toxic in our heads to ourselves. So don't allow yourself to be that person. So like sometimes you might feel like to say, oh, I'm not blessed. Oh, I feel so bad. Like I can't do this. I can't. You don't say such things to yourself, because your mind has so much power, and even your mouth has so much power. As a man thinketh, so is he. So whatever you think here, like it's a constant fight in the head, in your mind, to always make sure you think the best of yourself, because you're the only one who has the control to your head and to your mind. So don't let anything get to your head. Anything
Call dad, mom. Yes, princess.
Whoa, there's
You're heavy.
Mama. Mama.
Yes.